What's going on? It's Allison. For this workout, we're doing a Terra-Core ab routine. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay notified of the latest fitness videos. For this workout, we're going to be using the Terra-Core to work our abs and also focus on some more core stabilization exercises. If you don't have your own Terra-Core, I'll put a link in my captions with a discount code for 25% off. So grab your Terra-Core and some water, and let's get started. Let's begin with 2 warm-up exercises. Starting off, let's take your Terra-Core and flip it over dome side down. Whenever that Terra-Core is domed down, it forces us to work a little bit more balance and core stabilization. So off the bat, we're gonna start in this position. From here, your hands are on the handles, and your goal is to keep that Terra-Core steady. We're gonna take those knees and keep them on the ground, and then the tops of your feet on the ground. All right, this is gonna look like CatCows, like we do on the floor, except we're using the Terra-Core. So take a deep breath, inhale, and then exhale. Pull the belly button and spine, round that back, warming up the transverse abs. If you have any tightness in your lower back, you can definitely wiggle those hips a little more. And then center up, flat back gaze forward. Exhale, pull the belly button and spine, wiggle those hips. You can even rock back and forth, whatever feels good. And then center up, flat back. One more, exhale, pull in. Do whatever you like for about 10 seconds in this position. And then when you're ready, center up, flat back gaze forward. All right, progressing on from this, we're gonna go into a bear plank position. So keeping our hands on the handles, we're gonna curl those toes under, keep the knees bent, engage the core, and then lift those knees so they're hovering off the ground. Now from here, just like those cat-cows, let the tummy down, and then exhale, hollow out. Pull the belly button to spine, round that back a little bit, and then relax. Inhale, exhale, pull in. Engage the core. Now feel the big difference here. We're working that upper body, those arms and shoulders, holding yourself up. Feeling those legs, especially the quads. And then obviously that core. 2 more. Exhale, pull in. Inhale, relax. And 1 more right here. Exhale in. Inhale, relax. Carefully drop those knees. You can sink back, do a quick child's pose stretch. Deep breath, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And 1 more, inhale. Exhale out. Beautiful, bring it up. All right, go ahead and recover while I show you the next move. First working exercise, we're gonna do a similar bear plank position, but we're gonna walk the legs out to a high plank and then bring it back in for the bear. So it'll look like this. We start the same way, but before we begin, engage the core, stack the shoulders and the wrists. Now, your goal is to keep that Terra-Core nice and centered and steady. And we're gonna alternate out, out, in with those legs. Now, if you're not quite ready for this, I just want you to hold that bear plank position the entire time. We're gonna go for about 30 seconds. Okay, so take about 5 seconds, let's get in position. Bear plank to start in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Out, out, in. And if you think of it, alternate the lead leg that steps back every time. Hips and shoulders are steady. Out, out, in. Again, this is a full body workout here. With the dome face down, working that core stabilization and balance. Whew, 10 more seconds, you're doing so great. Keep it up. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great job. Let's change our position. Take that Terra-Core and flip it over dome side up. We're gonna do a set of crunches, or actually more of a series of crunches. So take a seat on the edge. Now when we're on the Terra-Core, your whole body is gonna feel supported on that dome, and since it's a soft shape and it curves with your body, there shouldn't be any pressure in your lower back. So taking a seat to start, and then carefully lie back, all the way to your head supported, down to your hips. Once you feel like you're in a good position, plant those feet down, little space between the knees, hands like behind the head. Okay, if you know how to do basic crunches on the floor, we're gonna do the same movement on top of the Terra-Core. So take a deep breath, inhale, look at your ceiling. Exhale, crunch up, lift high enough till your shoulder blades are just off that dome. Inhale down, let's go. Exhale, inhale lower. Pulling that belly button to spine the whole time. You're working your transverse abs and your rectus abs when you come up and down. Elbows staying back in your peripheral vision. Hands light behind the head. Good. Exhale, inhale. There's 10. 9. Good. 8, take your time with these. And 6. 5, you're doing so good. 4, 3, listen for the little kick at the end. All right, on your next one, hold it up. Now give me a little pulse on top, keep the shoulder blades up. 8, 7, 6, 5, there's 4, 3, 2, and carefully bring it down. All right, you relax and recover. I'm gonna show you the next move. Body position the same, except our fingertips are down on the right side, and extend the right leg out. Left hand stays behind the head. We're gonna combine a rotational twist with a leg straight, same reach over towards the shin. So it's a rotation twist with the knee, and then twist with the reach. Okay, we have 8 of these, staying on the same side. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's do it. In, extend, reach. Whew. Core is engaged, nice and long with those arms and the legs. That's 6. Reach up. These are harder than they look. They definitely build up on each other. Whew, halfway already on this side. 4, and up. Good. 3, come on, you got it. 2 more. And 1 more. Good job. Take a moment, deep breaths in and out. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Fingertips down, right foot down on the ground, left leg extended, right hand behind the head. Ready? 8 of these, let's go. In, extend, reach, there's 8. Whew. 7, good. 6, awesome work. In 4, halfway, reach up. 3, 2 more. 2, and 1 more. Great job. Take a quick break, grab a drink, and I'll meet you back here. Welcome back. Let's do some side planks. Start on one side of your Terra-Core. We're going to kneel and then pop the hips down and place our forearm on top of the Terra-Core. You just want to make sure that your shoulders and elbows are stacked on top. Okay, from here, 2 different versions. You can do an advanced or a modified. I'll show you both. Now, for the advanced version, we'll start there. For the side plank, we're going to lift the hip all the way up, legs are stacked. The movement is going to be a hip drop, down, and then rotation, reaching underneath. Hip down, drop, rotate. If you like to modify this, keep the legs stacked, stay on the knees, lift the hip up, drop the hip, reach, rotation underneath, same movement. We're gonna perform 8 on each side. Okay, so when you're ready, decide which position you like. If you start in advance, you can always bring it down. So just always remember that. Okay, so when you're ready, lift the hips up or stay on the knees, arms extended. Here we go, drop down, pop up, rotate. There's 8. Down, up, rotate. 7, here's the knee version. Drop down, lift, rotate. 6, down, up, rotate. 5, you're halfway there. Keep doing with what you have. Down, up, whew. 3 more. Good. Come on, last 2, definitely feeling it. Breathe. 1 more right here. Awesome job. And drop it down. Let's go over to the other side. Once you're here, get into position for those side planks. Remember, forearm down, shoulders and elbows stacked. Decide if you want to keep your knees down or if you want to be all the way on your feet. Okay, remember we have 8 repetitions. So get in position. Ready, set, here we go. Drop down, pop up, rotate. There's 8. Down, up, rotate. 7, here's that modified. Drop the hip, knees are stacked, rotate. 6, down, up. Keep those abs tight. Keep going with what you have. You have 4 more. Whew. Down, up, rotate, balance. It's a big challenge here, right? Last 2, down, up, and 1 more here. Woo. Very, very good. For the next exercise, we're doing a set of plank arm sprints. So what that means is that we're gonna be in a plank position, dome side up, elbows down, toes down. And then from there, we're gonna move up to our hands and then back down to our elbows. You can do this one if you're on your knees as well. So to get in position, start with the elbows down, toes out to abs are tight, squeeze the glutes. We go up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now we're gonna stay with the same arm leading, and then halfway through, we'll go ahead and do the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and do 8 on each direction. Okay, so when you're ready, go into your forearm plank, toes your knees, abs are tight, and pick a side to start with. Let's go. Up, up, down, down, 8, 7. Hips are as steady as best you can. 6, 5, come on, 4 more. Whew. 3, we'll take a short break in between, and 1 more. Drop the knees, sink back, roll out the wrists. Take a breath in and out. And we're gonna do 8 with the other arm leading. Okay, when you're ready, bring it up, start on those forearms, kick it out to that plank, and let's go. Up, up, down, down. Good. 7, 6, 5, there's 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Fantastic job. Drop those knees, sink back and stretch. You only have 1 more exercise left, and it's gonna be for the lower back. So carefully bring it up. We're gonna keep the Terra-Core exactly how it is, and then place your body right on top. Now for the positioning, you want it on your lower ab hip region, and then your toes are gonna dig into the ground. Definitely adjust how you need to so you feel comfortable. Now for this one, we're gonna extend the arms, extend the legs, and do opposite arm and leg. Lift up, lower, and then other side. Exhale, inhale. We'll go for about 30 seconds. Ready, set, let's go. Up, and then down. You should feel this in your lower back, and then squeeze the glutes on top as well. It shouldn't feel strenuous. If you feel like this position on top of the Terra-Core is not comfortable, do the same move on the floor in a prone position. Good. Exhale up, inhale down. 10 more seconds. Whew. Heart rate should be coming down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop those knees. Carefully walk those hands back on top. Take those knees into a frog pose, so it's about a little wider than what our normal child's pose is. Inhale, and then exhale, sink back. Deep breath, inhale through the nose. Great job today. Exhale through the mouth. Carefully rock forward, and then sink back again. Do these little frogger rocks. Slowly, inhale forward, exhale back. Nice work. Whew. Let's do 1 more. Take it up, and then down. Nice and easy. Take a seat on the floor. You can sit comfortably. 1 hand down, 1 arm up and over, stretching out those sides. Now, if you're feeling really good and energetic, feel free to rewind this video and get a second round in. If this is it for today, or this is a finisher to your other full body Terra-Core workout, you did awesome. You're done. Down, reach up overhead, other side. Good, center up, interlock those fingers behind, open up the chest and heart, and give me a deep breath, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and release. Arms in front, round the upper back, dip the chin, inhale, big reach overhead, and let it all go. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working out with you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.